Welcome to Into the Wild Zoo Tours, where I, someone special needs, shares my love of animals. For the first time, we are not touring a zoo. Instead, we're touring a museum. The Boonshoft Museum of Discovery is located in Dayton, Ohio, and it has a zoo called the Discovery Zoo. The Discovery Zoo is home to mostly South American species, like the burrowing owl. Burrowing owls can be found in North America and South America as well, and they're one of the smallest species of owls, and they only weigh as much as a small orange. To help food come to them, burrowing owls scatter animal scat at the burrow entrance to attract beetles and insects, and before you know it, the burrowing owl has a quick snack. When a burrowing owl dances, it usually is trying to protect itself, and as you can see here, I was pretty lucky enough to get this shot. The Discovery Zoo is home to two burrowing owls, Joe and Leia. The next animal we'll learn about is the Mertens monitor lizard. This species of monitor can be found in northern Australia. During the day, the monitor can be found basking on rocks and logs near the shoreline of rivers and creeks. These monitors are great swimmers and have a special valve in their nostrils that close when they dive. Here's the next animal we'll learn about, the North American river otter. Meet Eno and Sigua. North American river otters are found throughout North America, from Rio Grande to Canada and Alaska. Their aquatic habitats can be both marine and freshwater, streams, rivers, lakes, ponds, and marshes. River otters eat mostly aquatic organisms, including fish, frogs, crayfish, turtles, and insects, and also often prey on baby beavers. Here's the next animal we'll learn about, the red-rumped agouti. I heard a lot of visitors call red-rumped agoutis capybaras, so here are some key details to tell them apart. Capybaras are the world's largest rodent, and they can weigh up to 100 pounds, but red-rumped agoutis only weigh 6 to 13 pounds. Capybaras have brownish fur, but red-rumped agoutis have reddish-brown fur. Though they are different, there are still some similarities, like they're both rodents and both live in South America, and they're both important to their local ecosystem. And now let's learn about my favorite resident of the Discovery Zoo. Meet Frida the toco toucan. Frida arrived from the Phoenix Zoo in 2022, and she's a very curious toucan. While often compared to hornbills, toucans are close relatives of the woodpeckers. Toucans are important for the rainforest health and diversity. These birds pass seeds from the food they eat through their digestive system, which help replant the plants. Though they eat mostly food, they also go after insects. Here's the next animal we'll learn about, the turkey vulture. Meet Lucy and Ziggy. Turkey vultures mainly eat dead things, also known as carrion. The vulture's naked head is an adaptation which keeps the bird healthy, because the vulture often has to put its head into the carcass. The next animal we'll learn about is the Hinkle's leaf-tailed gecko. Hinkle's leaf-tailed geckos are found on the island of Madagascar, and can let out a loud distress call that resembles a child's scream. And now let's head into the nocturnal section, where the first animals we'll meet is Jamaican fruit bats. These Jamaican fruit bats arrived from the Pittsburgh Zoo in 2024, and they're named after fruit and vegetables, including corn on the cob, banana, and melon. And here's the last animal of our tour for part 1, the sandcat. Meet Kevin the sandcat. Kevin arrived from the Living Desert Zoo in California in 2025. Sandcats are nocturnal animals, which means they're active at night, and during the day they hide out in their burrows. Sandcats mainly eat birds to small rodents and even venomous vipers. Sandcats are solitary creatures and like to live alone, and only come together to breed. A sandcat can give birth to 1 to 2 kittens at a time. And that'll do it for part 1 of our tour of the Discovery Zoo at the Boonshoft Museum of Discovery. Next week we will tour the rest of the Discovery Zoo. We will learn about peahen swallowtail porcupines, armadillos, and kinkajous. Until then, please be kind to people with disabilities and always love animals.